Hey guys! What's up? You guys are back on Basketball Star. And if you guys are new to my channel, I am Lauren. And today I'm going to be showing you the two slimes I made with my sister and one of her friends. One's fluffy and one is not fluffy. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one, I'll do the non-fluffy one. So it's a blue, and I added some like foam, which is blue foam. Oh my gosh, they all came to the top. Well, duh. But I made this a few days ago. Maybe, wait, hold on. When did I make this? Today's Wednesday. I made it on Monday. And I added a vanilla scent into this, so it smells really good. So it's not the, yeah, it feels really good and it smells really good and stuff. But the only thing bad about it is, look, when I put this together like that, well, of course it doesn't now, but when I keep like putting it over, it just kind of like comes apart, and I still love this slime, so I'm going to keep it till it gets like hard or it just isn't good anymore. And I don't know clue if I'm going to make another video today, but you never know, I make a ton of videos. So that was my non-fluffy slime. This one is called Sky Blue. Now let's move on to the fluffy slime. So before we go on to the fluffy slime, make sure you guys go subscribe and turn on post notifications and follow me on IG. So yeah, let's get started. Okay. So, this probably looks teal to you guys a little bit, but it's actually white. I added white foam beads into it, but when I was actually making this slime, I made this one before, and there was still blue stuff in it and blue foam beads, so it kind of has some blue into it, so that's why it doesn't. And this one is the fluffy one. I added candy scent into this. It smells like shaving cream, but it smells clean. So, yeah, it's really cool. I love this one. It's not a good stretchy one. It's It's good for playing with. Like, this one's good for like a bubble. It's easy to make a bubble out of that one and stuff. Like, hold on, let me try to stretch it. See, like, it just like isn't that good, and it smells so good, and it's so fluffy. And what I was going to actually say is this video is going to be very short, just because I only made two slimes. So yeah, hold on, let me try to. Can you guys see that that's white? Now it looks blue, but I have no clue if you guys can see that. I'll have to go back and look at that. So let me go look at it really quick. Okay, so I just went back and looked at it. I don't really know. And I dropped this in the grass when I was making it. I got most of it out, but I just need to get that piece out. Hold on, let's see. Gotta try to get this piece out. And if either my mom or my sister pops in when I'm making this video, I am sorry. Sometimes I just don't care to knock or anything. So yeah, I got the grass out of it now. And this one is called the Cloud Fluff. So it's kind of like fart. This one has good bubbles. Like, you know how there's like bubbles sometimes and then you pop them? That's the best. Oh my gosh. I love both of these slimes. I'll make sure you guys stay tuned for some more slime. And I might also, I'm probably going to make another one of these kind of slime videos. Maybe like me and Kelly making some that are actually good. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for some slime videos. Make sure you, maybe next week, at some point next week, make sure you guys, we are going to go on a live stream on YouTube, and we're going to it's a channel called Sing With Me. Me and my sister are in it. Sometimes it's just going to be me, sometimes it's just going to be my sister, and yeah, that's kind of what it's going to be. Make sure you guys go check out my sister's channel. I have no clue what their channel's name is called. Her channel's name's called, I think it's like Kinley's World or Kinley's Channel, something like that. I will check up on that soon so you guys can know. And make sure you go follow also Kinley on the IG to win an Apple AirPod or a iPhone 11, one of those two. And make sure you guys just stay tuned for any videos. They might be savage. They might be epic. If you guys have not checked my video out, me pranking my sister that I was going to quit YouTube, she bawled her eye out. I mean, she was sad. Like, I even said I wasn't going to do it with my friend anymore. And I do those, like, me and my friend, we love to do, like, it's sometimes, like, either fake YouTube videos, like we're pretending like we're doing a real video, but we're not. Or it's a real video. And she has a private YouTube channel, but make sure you guys stay tuned because she might actually have this thing called It's Cooking With My Kiddos, and we might be in it. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'm probably going to do another video really soon. So hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Bye!